Hello everyone! Today, I have the most heartwarming story to share with you all. On December 4, 2023, I won this beautiful dainty heart necklace for my mom on a Facebook page. Isn't it just lovely? Well, it's not just a simple jewelry. This necklace holds a special place in my heart, just like the love I have for my mom. Its beauty reflects the love and appreciation I have for her. I stumbled upon a giveaway on a Facebook page and decided to try my luck. Little did I know that I would be the lucky winner of this precious gift for my mom. Her reaction was priceless. The mechanics for this was so simple. You just need to like and share the post of this dainty heart necklace publicly. Then, tag someone you wish to offer this dainty heart necklace with caption, "You deserve this because..." State mo yung reason why this someone deserve this dainty heart necklace. Tapos, tag mo yung online shop na nagpapa-giveaway ng dainty heart gold necklace. Ganun lang kasimple ang mechanics, guys. And I was over the moon when I won this beautiful necklace. Pero alam nyo guys, marami na akong sinalihang mga pag-giveaway sa Facebook page at dito lang talaga ako nanalo. Totoo ngang kasabihan, no? Kapag para sa'yo, para sa'yo. Hindi mo kailangang pilitin. Everything will come naturally according to His way and His timing. Oftentimes, I get upset kasi hindi sumasang-ayon ang panahon sa gusto ko. And I realize baka hindi talaga para sa akin. Sinarado niyang unang pinto to open another one. A better one. He knows exactly what he's doing and I trust him. If it's closed door, it's probably not your door. So don't compare. May nakalaan si Lord na best para sa'yo. And yes, ito yun guys. Ang dainty heart necklace na napanalunan ko sa Dada J online shop. Sobrang ipinag-pray ko to dahil gusto kong ibigay kay mama. When the time is right, I, the Lord, will make it happen. God's perfect timing is the best. Totoo talaga na kung para sa'yo, ay para sa'yo. Ibibigay ni Lord yan sa tamang oras at tamang panahon. Just keep your faith higher than your fear. Kaya guys, huwag niyong ikumpara ang storya nyo sa storya ng iba. Kasi lahat tayo ay may kanya-kanyang perfect timing. Lahat kanya-kanyang storya. Hindi ka failure, hindi ka late. May nakalaan para sa'yo. May magandang plano si Lord para sa'yo.